What is up everyone, it's Carmen here from drcarmengems.com, and today I am here at Good Source for my very first plastic-free shopping experience. So I thought I would take all of you guys along with me for this experience. So if you have never gone plastic-free shopping before, I'm going to show you exactly what is involved, and I'm looking forward to it, so come along. Approximately half of all the plastic we produce is produced for single use only. The average working life of a plastic bag is 15 minutes. And it's crazy to think that that shopping bag is going to be around on this planet for hundreds of years. Okay, so the first step in plastic-free shopping is that you need to have your containers ready. So I brought some bottles that I'm going to reuse. And so the way it works is that they've got a really fancy scale here. Zama's going to teach us how to use it. But the way it works is that you put the bottle on the scale and then you press a button that makes it go down to 0. So that when you put in your produce into the bottle, the scale is only measuring what's inside the bottle and not the bottle itself, right? So I've never done this before, so Zama's going to show me how, and then hopefully I get the hang of it so that I can continue shopping.
We do have soy beans.
Yes. So maybe I can get some soya, sure. Like that, right? That's easy, yeah. So we are at Good Source and I'm sitting here with Kim, and we're just going to ask a few questions about plastic-free shopping. So Kim, how did this place come to be? This is such a beautiful store. So how did we get here today?
Thanks, Carmen. Again. We started really out of frustration of us, a group of friends that just wanted to shop plastic free, and we just couldn't find stuff out of plastic, and we thought there must be other people like us. So let's try start something.
Wow. And how long has Good Source been operating?
We'll have our second birthday in October. So it's coming up shortly.
Yay.
Yeah.
Almost birthday time. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
So why do you think it's so important for us to begin to think a little bit more sustainably about how we shop?
Oh, there's so many reasons, but one, obviously for the environment, what we can see and what we can't see in the ocean and in the land, and then obviously for our health too. There's just so many pluses to eating things that are not packaged and that don't have extra preservatives or hormones added. Yeah.
Cool. So perhaps you can let the viewers know, where can we find this shop? Where are we and your hours of operation?
The best place is to go to our website, www.goodsource.co.za, but we're in Hillcrest next to Papa Giovanni, and Lineage Coffees just moved next door to us. So we've got lovely neighbors, and our trading hours are Monday to Friday, 8 until 5, and Saturday, 9 until 3.
Awesome. Well, it's been a fantastic opportunity and a fantastic experience, rather, shopping at Good Source. My first plastic-free shopping experience. And you guys have been such great hosts. Thank you so much for accommodating me and for helping empower all of us to go more plastic-free with our shopping.
Oh, thank you, Carmen. Lovely to have you.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, please.
Do you have any ideas as to how we can reduce our impact on the environment? I'd love to hear your suggestions, so leave them in the comment section below. I love to create videos about health and wellness and how to live a healthier lifestyle. So if that sounds good to you, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.